Okay, I love you. But marrying you was the biggest mistake I ever made since going on a first date with you. My parents were happier when I was diagnosed with chlamydia than when you proposed. Some people, they say that men should marry their mother, but I don't think that's true because I'm not a dead prostitute.
Before I get started, there is something I have to tell you, and I've waited till now to do it. I'm bisexual. But don't worry, whenever I want to fuck a man, I'll just look at your hairy asshole. You are so hairy! The reason I like to fuck you from behind is because it feels like I'm riding a magic carpet. If a small Asian boy started waxing your body, an old Asian man would finish waxing your body.
I shave, it just grows back. Bobby, you tried to cheat on me with prostitutes. Yeah, but they drugged and robbed you. You literally couldn't get sex if you paid for it. I love you. I'm so sorry. We'll get through this. I am like the prostitutes. I use the Rehypnol, but I use it on myself.
Harriet, I proposed to you on Christmas Eve, which you thought was really romantic. It wasn't. I did it because that way, when we do divorce, I've ruined Christmas for you. I'm gonna sign the papers on your birthday.
At least you'll have got me a present this year.
Let's go!
Bobby, Bobby, you were sorry. Bobby!
Stop saying my fucking name! Just do the joke!
Okay. Bobby!
No, you did it again!
Okay, you were put up for adoption at birth, which makes one thing clear, that your mother had better intuition than I do. I love you. You're the only person that I've ever met, though, that looks adopted.
I think I look nice. Harriet, you're allergic to raw fruits, raw vegetables, and nuts. How are you still alive? I didn't want to marry you. I just thought I'd fuck you for a while and you'd die.